What's up guys, it's Tim from Coaster Life Media. This channel is dedicated to the thrills and screams that come from roller coasters and thrill rides around the world. Unfortunately, there are some rides and coasters that miss the mark when it comes to ride experiences. That's why today I'd like to count down the top 5 worst roller coasters in the United States. Of course, this list is based on my own opinion. If yours differs from mine in any way, I'd love to hear about it in the comment section of this video. Number 5. Corkscrew at Cedar Point. Honestly, I've gone back and forth on whether I should trash this coaster, but the truth is, it's an aero coaster. Of course it's going to be rough, but my main problem is the corkscrew element on this ride. You hit the first corkscrew hard, causing you to slam your head into the shoulder restraints. If Cedar Point announced that they were going to tear this ride down for something better, of course I'd be sad for a while, but I would not be surprised. This ride did not age well. Number 4. Nighthawk at Carowinds. As far as flying coasters go, I'd say this coaster model is the worst. The Vekoma Flying Dutchman coaster model, and more specifically Nighthawk, gives riders the illusion of flight by laying riders on their backs while navigating through the track. My issue with this is the fact that being on your back on a roller coaster is absolutely excruciating. For many riders, you exit the station after the ride with head, neck, and back pains. The only thing worse than the ride system is the fact that it's a Vekoma. They themselves have a reputation for having the most aggressive and painful coasters. I will give them credit, however, for finding their sweet spot in their newer suspended coaster models, like Dragonfly at Dollywood. This ride is not at all like the SLCs that they've been known for over the past 20 years or so. Number 3. Big Apple Coaster at the New York Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. This coaster is known to be a rough ride. If you've ever wondered why America doesn't have that many operating Togo coasters, this is why. Big Apple Coaster not only has a horrible name, but it has a horrible ride experience. And with the cost of $15 per ride, I'd say this ride is absolutely not worth it. Every single drop, whip, and turn on this coaster is just plain disrespectful. Number 2. Mind Eraser at Six Flags America. As I said before, Vekoma is known for producing cheap trash that parks will willingly pay for just to fill up their coaster lineup. This ride is no exception. Mind Eraser is a member of the infamous Vekoma SLC family, which means everything I said for Nighthawk applies here, except instead of being on your back, you're sitting on a very uncomfortable seat beneath the track. Not much else needs to be said. It sucks. Let's move on. Before we get to our number 1 spot, I'd like to thank you for watching if you're new to the channel, and encourage you to like this video and subscribe for more roller coaster and amusement park content. Number 1. Viper at Six Flags Magic Mountain. This coaster is absolutely painful. Since this is the absolute last coaster that I've ridden in 2020 before the world was shut down due to the COVID-19 crisis, this ride experience is still fresh in my mind. I can imagine how this coaster might have been a hit when it first opened up, but now it is a complete mess. I'll never forget how, while navigating through the sharp turns and rough transitions, I prayed out loud for the sweet release that only death could bring. The restraints on this ride feel more like an attempted murder. Your head bangs side to side on the over-the-shoulder restraints, making you feel like your ears are bleeding. I even helplessly tried to cushion the blows by putting my hands over the restraints, but that did not help at all. Overall, this, in my opinion, is the absolute worst roller coaster in the United States. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to any one of my social media accounts. If you have any suggestions for possible video ideas, you can also leave a comment on any one of my videos. I'll see you in the next video.